They're monitoring a developing story. Delta Airlines is reporting a system-wide computer failure.
And that means all Delta flights are grounded worldwide. Of course, this affects you if you have a flight this morning. Our Ashley Roberts is live at MSP. Ashley, what's going on behind you there at the Delta check-in area?
Good morning, Jason. Definitely not the news people want to wake up to this morning before they head and get here to the airport. I'll go ahead and show you the lines here at Delta at MSP International. You can see the lines are extremely long this morning as people are waiting to check in. Unfortunately, after they get checked in here at MSP, that doesn't mean that they will be able to leave the airport. That's because Delta is experiencing, as you mentioned, those computer issues nationwide. But the good news is that Delta has been responding to travelers on Twitter, answering questions. And Delta is saying that it's working to get things back on track and resolve this computer issue as soon as possible. We have seen people as far away as Seattle saying they've been stuck at the gate for more than 2 hours just trying to make it to their destination. In some cases, people trying to get to meetings, which I'm sure is the case for many travelers here at MSP, in addition to people traveling on vacation. Again, Delta saying this morning they are working to resolve this issue as soon as possible. And so far, flights here at MSP, nothing has officially been canceled. Everything is still saying that flights are on time. So Delta is recommending that travelers still show up here to the airport because you know that's how things work with the technology. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not, but then sometimes it works very quickly. So the best thing is for people to just arrive here at the airport, hope for the best, but unfortunately they may have to wait a little longer.
Yeah, we've noticed that if you look at the website or you look at the airport at the computer monitors, they still say on time. But we don't know if that's because Delta can't get into their systems to delay things and have it show up differently on the system. So quite a mess throughout the country right now. Ashley, I know you'll keep asking questions and try to check in and let people know what they can expect if they have to go to the airport today. Stay with WCCO. We'll have continuing coverage of the Delta nationwide airplane grounding.